6.1, rounding decimals. When you're rounding decimals, it's the same thing as when you're rounding whole numbers. You always pretty much need to look at the digit that is to the right. So if we are going to round this to the nearest tenth place, the 3 is in the tenth place, we have two choices. It's either going to be 2.3, it's going to stay 2.3, or 2 3/10, or it's going to become 2 4/10. It all depends on the number that is to the right of what we're doing. So this is a 6, so it is more than half. It's either 5, 6, 7, or 8. So that is going to cause this number to bump up to 2.4. If you're going to make a mistake, it's probably going to be rounding to the wrong place value. So let's just take a look at a couple of these. Let's take 6.7. I'm going to round that to the nearest whole number. So again, whole number, that would be this place right here. Take a look at this. Is it more than half? Yes, it's 7. So you're going to round up, which would make that a 7. Let's crank some more of these out. How about 0 and let's get all the way down here to the 10,000ths place. We're going to round this to the nearest tenth. Alright, this is kind of interesting. When you look at this, there's a whole lot of numbers after that, but the only one that really matters is the one directly to the right. So that's a 5, so that's going to have us round to 0 4/10. Check this one out. What if we had 3 and 4, 2, 9, 9, 9, 9, going all the way there. And we were going to round to the nearest tenth place. On this one, again, just kind of looking at the number that is to the right, that's all that you look at. It's a 2, that's going to have us round back down. That would be 3.4 or 3 4/10. Alright, how about 32 and 60/100ths? Round that to the nearest tenth. That would be 32.6, right? How about 3 and 246,000ths? Round that to the nearest hundredth place. 3.25. 3 and 25/100ths. How about 7 and 3, 8, 2, 9. Let's do the 10,000ths place. Why don't you round this one to the nearest thousandths place? What would that be? Say it out loud. I didn't hear you. Louder. Right. 7.383. We're 7 and 383,000ths. That's what you said, right? Gee, that wasn't too difficult. Go ahead and try yours over here, and I'll see you in the morning.